Hello shooters and airsofters! Now, ito ang ating Tagalog segment for CS Pro TV. Yun nga, like I promised before, magkakaroon tayo ng CS Pro TV. Sure, if gagawa pa ako another channel, for dito na lang. Pero for now, ilalagay ko muna siya sa Clyde Santos na channel. Itong topic natin for today, how to start or what do I need for practical shooting or magkano ang budget if you're gonna play practical shooting. First, if you want to play practical shooting, first na dapat meron ka is pistol or rifle. So, ang focus natin ngayon is more on pistol. Pistol, for starter pistol, usually it will cost around 7,000 to 11,000. Excuse me, depende sa unit na kukunin mo. I highly suggest, if medyo low budget ka, go for WE. Kasi maganda naman sila for starters. Not the best, but they're still good. They work really fine. Pag natsambahan ka, minsan may sira agad. Other option is Tokyo Marui. Hindi siya sobrang tibay at the start, pero yung upgradability niya sobrang dali. ICS Challenger, hindi pa siya ganun ka-popular, but that's a good starter gun. So you can check those out. Avoid double barrel. Next is you need to have extra magazines. So hindi naman siya kailangan agad ng magkatong ka, pero at least meron kang isang extra mag para hindi ka mahirapan pag pumupo. I-enjoy mo. Change mo ka lang. Next is holster. You need to buy a holster. Holster usually, ang pinakamura Phobos. If I'm not mistaken, makakuha ka lang yun ng 1,000 to 1,500 if you're using single stock, locks. I guess as I remember, meron silang ganun. Magkabilaan na yun. So you can start that. It's only 1,500. Meron ka na agad magagamit. But if you want it a more practical shooting style na, you can go for hi-capa holster, I guess. As I remember, you can get that only for 3,500. Doon ako nag-start before. So, swerte ka kung may makita ka sa online, or you can go to hi-capa if may time ka. Other option is Lordman. Lordman is around 6,500 to 7,000. Sobrang sulit na siya complete set. As I remember, they also offer na mas konti. So, for higher level naman, na pangmatagal talaga, you can go for JR, Ghost, Double Alpha, top of the line sila, hindi ka magkakamali sa mga yun. Next is, pag nakuha ka na ng equipment mo, yun yung common na equipment na kailangan mo. So, you need to find the team, pagpapracticean or range. So, you can go for range na malapit sa inyo. Just search sa, I guess you can search at Team SS. May sasuggest sila ng mga team na malapit sa inyo. Pag wala, kailangan yung tumayo. Ganun talaga if you're interested to join the sport. So, joining the sport, most probably gagastos ka talaga ng around siguro pinakamababa na is 12,000 to 10,000 nandun sa range na yun pag gusto mo mag-start. Hindi siya, ako na nasasabi, hindi siya murang hobby. Hindi rin siya sobrang mahal. But pwede mo siya ma-enjoy. Ako before nagsimula lang din ako sa mga cheap equipments. As I remember, nag-start ako, parang budget ko is 18,000 to 20,000, but medyo pang matagalan naman na yun, na-enjoy ko na yung sport at that amount. For that, don't forget na eye protection when you're playing practical shooting. Eye protection is around, yung mga cheap brands, it's around 500 to 1,500. Magaganda na sila kahit pa paano. If you're wearing eyeglasses, that will work. Ganun ako nag-start, naka-eyeglasses ako. Ngayon, di ko na siya suot. Ayun lang guys. I hope you like the video and I hope